It's Kevin here from Boy Media, and today I want to go over one type of ad that we see working really well across tons of accounts that we run. And this ad is us versus them ads. It's a very simple ad to make. You can make it in almost any video editor, and it's really about positioning yourself as better than your competitors and using this to tell people how you're different, and two, using this as a way to potentially leverage the other brand's equity so that it can quickly relate to your product if it's in a market that's maybe saturated. For example, if you have another ride sharing app, you can say we're like Uber for blah blah blah, we're Postmates for blah blah blah, or at least using the other brand to sort of show how you're different. Let's dive right in, and I want to show you the type of ad. Right now we're in our Facebook group. Again, if you guys are not in our group, it's called Facebook Ads Explosive Growth. You can feel free to email me, Kevin at Boy Media, or message me on Twitter and I can let you into the group. Let's play the ad, the sample ad that I saw that it's doing this, and the company is called It's Bloom. They're selling coffee. You could see that they're comparing themselves to, obviously you can tell by this logo here, it's Starbucks. Clearly it's us versus them, our pumpkin spice latte versus the other guys. And the other guys, for people watching or listening, this is the Starbucks logo essentially. It looks like that green logo that Starbucks uses. And you can see here, it's a very basic ad. It's 5 seconds long. It compares the sugar, it's vegan free, real organic pumpkin, not the fake pumpkin that potentially Starbucks might be using. In a few seconds, explain why you're like your product because you have affinity to the other product, but also now why you're different. This is the type of ad that you should be thinking about. It should be part of your top of the funnel strategy. And this is why this ad's so great, is because you can use this top of the funnel strategy, but also you can use it for your bottom of the funnel strategy as retargeting and putting other marketing messages on there that you can say, here's why you should use us versus them, again, in a different segment of the funnel. Try this strategy out. You can make this ad with video like they do, or you can do static images, because if you look at their ad, it's 5 images animated together, because each USP can be an image, and you can run that as single image ads or video image ads. Make sure you're doing an us versus them ad. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, subscribe to us on YouTube. Any questions or comments, feel free to email me, Kevin at Boy Media, or just send me a message on Twitter, twitter.com/Danis. Thank you guys.